Hello everyone, my name is Blair Margot Makapagal, and today we'll be making a paint bottle art. So here's what we're gonna need. Acrylic paints, brushes, an empty bottle, a sponge, a cut-out circle, a scissors, and a paint palette. So what we are going to need for now is a empty bottle of wine and the sponge and a paint palette with colors in it. So the colors that we are going to need is a yellow, orange, red, black, and white. So first off, we are going to cover the empty bottle with white acrylic paint. Next, we will be putting the cutout paper and we will start inputting the colors. So this is the finished attempt, and what we are about to do next is to take off the sticker and we are gonna start painting.